everybody. Reagan, Preston, Caroline are going to help me open this new box. What do you think's in this box? Be careful, Daddy.
Careful. What's that?
What do you think's in this box? Baby brother's right there. He's not in the box. Let's see here. This is a box from a place called B&H. They sell cameras and really cool stuff to play with.
And diapers?
Not diapers. I wish they did. That would be cool. What's in here? Oh, your favorite part. Thank you, Santa Claus. We got a brand new camera to play with. Check it out. You like that?
Hey, is that mine?
You gotta have all the goodies, right? Memory cards. And a battery. And a UV protector lens. Merry Christmas!